India from Trinidad and Tobago. And you're watching FunForLouis.
Good morning guys. Me and Steve have had about 2 hours sleep and we're off on an adventure. We haven't quite woken up yet and I'm feeling a bit weird. So we finished breakfast and we've met Akbar. He's our guide and he's going to take us to some places. And Turkish Airlines have arranged a pretty exciting day for us. We're going to visit the gateway of India, then we're going to get on a boat and go and see Elph Island, which is apparently amazing. There's like caves and ruins and stuff. Guys, this is one of the most expensive houses in the world right here.
White के बगल में.
It's owned by an Indian businessman. Right, we just nipped into a little Vodafone store so we can top up credit, and then me and Steve will have internet on the go. It's quite important, isn't it, Steve? That we can Snapchat all day. Sorted. Sorted. This, guys, is the gateway of India. So this was erected to commemorate the landing and the first visit of George V, King George V in India. And this was during the British rule of India. It's pretty incredible. Guys, this hotel behind me is called the Taj Mahal Hotel. It's pretty magnificent. Right, we're jumping on this boat and we're heading to Elph Island. Alright. Oh, sorry, mate.
Yeah, man.
This is so good.
चलो बेटा बाहर जाइए.
Right, we're here on Elph Island. We're about to catch a little train, I think. No, there's a track, and this heads all the way to that end. Choo choo! How hot is it here? Look. Oh my god, it is so ridiculously hot. So humid. So humid. Look at these monkeys. They're playing in the water that's trapped in the tarpaulin. I love these monkeys. Well, you monkeys are cool, yeah? I like you. So cool. I think monkeys are definitely one of my favourite animals. Right, we're walking up 120 steps to get to these caves. So we just found out a little bit about these caves. They were built 1400 years ago and they were carved out of the solid rock, so they're man-made caves. These caves were made as a monument to Shiva, the Hindu god, the destroyer, Shiva the destroyer. Guys, there's bats in here. There are bats in the cave. They're flying all around here. I think they live up there. Look at them. So is this a shrine to Shiva? So as a mark of respect, we've had to take our shoes off. And we're in the Shiva shrine. This guy's doing some chanting. Those caves were incredible, guys. Mind-blowing. Hand-carved. It took them 100 years to carve into the solid rock and build those sculptures and statues and stuff. And now it's lunchtime. We're gonna go and grab some food from somewhere and just chill. Lunch has arrived, guys. Lunch has arrived. Steve's tired. That's the life. Yeah, chilling all the way down to the bottom. I love all these animals. There's animals everywhere. Hello. Right, before we get back on the boat, I'm having a little masala tea, yeah?
Yeah,
masala tea. Steve, do you want some masala tea, bro?
Can I smell it?
Yeah, it's really hot.
Chai tea.
Who's driving the train? Guys, this place has been a gold mine for photos. Just crazy. Just beauty all around us. Right, we're leaving the island and we're heading back to the mainland. Right, I found a little spot on the floor. I'm gonna have a little nap, guys, whilst we get the boat back. It's got like an hour to go. Me and Steve were just saying, this has definitely been the sickest photo walk we've ever done. Don't you reckon, man?
Definitely, bro. Just shot after shot after shot. You have to stop and take it in for a little bit as well.
Yeah. And you need to check those photos out. We're going to be throwing them up on Instagram, me and Steve, over the next like week. Maybe even month. We got so many. I actually can't get over how incredible that was coming in as the sun was setting behind the Taj Mahal Hotel. Magical. Alright, just jumped in a cab. We're heading off to do some shopping, I think, or just to look around. This place is, we can't even put it into words. Hopefully some of this footage has shown just a minute window into Mumbai, but we can't put it into words. We're both like amazed by today so far. Wait. So just as we were crossing the road, Zara was driving along and she saw us. She watched my videos and she jumped out and she's run down the road to say hello.
He's really tall.
This is like the first viewer I've met in India.
There are lots.
Are there lots of people? Do you like YouTube?
Real. Bye.
Bye. Guys, the other day my UV filter broke on my lens and we just had to cut it off because it was dented. I'm getting a new one from this camera shop. Look at that. Guys, we just got back to the hotel and there's like a procession going on outside. I don't know what this is. This is awesome. Back in the room, laptop club, playing some tunes. Just got some dinner, room service tonight because we've got a lot of editing to do. We don't want to be up all night again. I don't want to be up all night again. Do you want to be up all night again?
No way, man. No, I'm not going to be up all night again. I'm not up all night to get lucky tonight, man.
I'm just reading through some comments from some of the other videos. A lot of people are asking why are we in India. So just to clarify, this is the next stage of the Turkish Airlines trip that we're on, and me and Steve were selected to explore Mumbai, and the other YouTubers that I was hanging out with in Turkey, in Istanbul, they've headed around the world to different destinations. I'll link their channels below as well. You can check out what they're up to in their adventures. But it's awesome. We had an incredible day and we've got a few more days here exploring and just having an incredible time. We'll catch you tomorrow. Peace out, enjoy life and live the adventure. Boom.